Welcome to my channel. Don't study it, just say it, where we will learn to talk Trinidad and Tobago dialect and sound like true Trinis to the bone. Trini word of the day, farce, and farce and outer place. Farce is an adjective describing people who are all up in other people's business. When you farce, you're showing too much interest in things that do not concern you. Farce and outer place means oh, you have crossed the line. You are now putting your opinion in situations that you have no inside knowledge about. You're just farce and outer place. Now you say nosy, inquisitive, presumptuous, snooping. We say you're just farce. You say meddlesome, busybody, prying, intrusive. We say you're farce and outer place. Now, this is farce and outer place. This is farce and outer place. And this is farce, but this is farce and outer place. You get it? Don't study it, just say it. Now, my sugar cake Walter here, well, he has no boundaries. There is no moment in time when he is not farce and out of place. But I love him too bad. Can't picture life without him. So I live happily with him, constantly all up in my business. To the tourists who visit the islands, please take notes. You will be talking like a citizen in no time. I am on a quest to make sure that every visitor to our islands feel at home with our special way of speaking. We love to hear you talk like us. The journey now start. Please like and share, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which word you would like translated to Trini dialect. As you subscribe, I will add an AI pic of you walking here with my BFF and I. Let's become a crowd on this beautiful island scene.